Hey everyone, today I'll show you how you can download one awesome paint and animation software. It's really good for the person who are just getting started with animation and who don't wanna spend money on professional software like Adobe Illustrator and other animation tools. It's totally free. It's best for kids and people who are interested in learning animation free of cost. So let's just get started. Okay, now you have to go to Google Chrome. Just don't worry, I'll post the link in the description. So depending on your OS, it will automatically show you download button according to your OS. Like I said, if you're using Linux, it will show Linux. If Mac, it will show Mac in here. So we are using Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click in here and download it. And it will download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. So after you have downloaded, it should be something. Wait a second, just 1 second. It should be just something like this, and we will install it by double clicking on it, and we will say next and accept their terms and conditions. Next, we're gonna install it by default. Just let it be that way. Just don't touch anything. Click next. I agree. Next. Create desktop icon. Next. Install. Now you'll have to give him some moment.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。I'm fast as boy.
So it is done installation. We will click next and finish. So here we have an icon in the desktop. Here it is. We will double click it open. Yep, there we have it. This is the interface, and I am installing this for my nephew because he touched my computer and he touched files that he shouldn't. So why not give him something productive and something to learn. Workspace, there's animation workspace. Fuck, I have no clue what to do.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me, I'ma just grab my stuff and leave.